The main reason for the accident were the entirely wet cold tire and the slippery yellow line the biker rode on.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Are you okay? Oh. Are you okay? I think you better sit down. Duduk, 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 duduk.
The driver does see the biker, but he still deliberately pushes him out of his lane. This is a very similar situation in which the driver, despite his own fault, doesn't care the least.
Ты что делаешь? Ты зачем это делаешь? Подрезаешь зачем? Меня? Ты и по моей полосе едешь, и по своей. Ты нормальный? Я-то тут при чем? Ты меня подрезаешь, как в чем? Тебе-то похер, ты в железной.
You stupid.
Πας μωρέ, πού πας ρε σούργελο.
The biker reacts swiftly as the driver chooses the wrong lane. It's impossible to see everything in detail, but the driver hits the biker, who needs a lot of time to get him to the side of the road.
Oh! Yeah! Oh boy almost got me, dog. I'm gonna kick his car. Yo, what's good, dog? Pull over, dog. Fight me, G. You wanna? over. Pull dog.
Yeah, when you swerved over, you hit him. That's all right. I'll calm him down. Hey, calm down.
No, dog.
Calm down. He didn't know he hit you.
I'm good.
Calm down, dude.
What's good, bro? You don't look in your lane or what? You don't look over?
Oh, well.
You don't look? I'm right here, dog. I don't. You didn't see G. I'm good. Come look at my bike. Let's make sure you're up. It's all on camera too. You almost ran me into that dog. Hit my. Now get out of here before I get the dog. Just plate number.
Well, you told him to leave.
Kick his door in, yeah. Alright, let's get out of here, Chris.
Alright. Well, I try to usually prevent things like that, but
The biker's patience is tested as the drivers completely ignore him.
Say bank account or card? I don't know. Whoa. What are you doing? Yeah. Yeah, I'm good. Oh! Oh!
Good job of weren't in that lane, isn't it? Good job of weren't in that lane. I managed to stop before you. I've got two wheels, you were behind me. If I'd have been in that lane, you'd have killed me. Pay attention. I saw that ambulance back there. I saw that ambulance from back there. You had to do an emergency stop. I can't hear a word you're saying. Either if I'd have been in that lane. I saw it from back there. How come I stopped here and you stopped there? No, mate, you weren't paying attention. Yeah.
Thanks for watching till the end, I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.